go ahead.
Do you think it's okay for men to do household chores like cooking, washing dishes, cleaning, or even babysitting?
Of course, why wouldn't it be? I think it's totally normal. Why do you ask?
Well, I had a conversation with my cousin yesterday. He believes that household work is only for women. I was shocked.
Seriously? That's such an outdated mindset living in 2025, not the 1950s.
I know, right? I believe men and women should share responsibility equally, especially at home. What do you think?
Absolutely. I mean, in my house, my dad does the cooking. Most of the time, he actually enjoys it more than my mom does.
That's really cool. You grow up seeing your dad do household chores?
Yes, and not just cooking. In fact, vacuums, does the laundry, helps with grocery shopping, you name it. It taught me that chores don't have a gender.
That's such a good example, but I feel like in many families, especially in our culture, men are still expected to avoid housework, just be the breadwinner.
Yeah, I've noticed that too. It's unfair and puts a lot of pressure on both men and women. Like women are expected to work and take care of the house.
Exactly. I think men who refuse to help home are being irresponsible. Honestly, taking care of the house is this part of being an adult.
Totally agree. Actually, when I lived alone in college, I did everything by myself, cook, clean, even iron by my clothes.
Good for you. I think more men need to experience that kind of independence. It makes people more mature and respectful toward others.
Yeah, I once had a roommate who didn't even know how to boil water. He thought cooking was a girl thing. I had teach him how to make scrambled eggs.
Oh my god, really? That's both sad and funny.
It was, but he got better. I think many guys just haven't been taught. Society kind of tells them it's not their role.
Right? That's why I think education and early age is important. Boys and girls should both learn life skills like cooking and cleaning.
I could agree more. If I ever have a son, I'll make sure he know how to take care of himself.
Same here. I want my kids to grow up in a household where chores are shared family. It's about partnership.
Totally. Also, sharing housework can actually make relationships better, less stress, and fewer arguments.
Yes, I read a study that said couples who share chores equally tend to be happier and more satisfied.
That makes sense. No one likes feeling overworked and underappreciated.
True, and I think we also need to stop calling men amazing just because they do basic things like change diapers or wash dishes.
Aha, exactly like, oh, you help your wife with the baby, you're a hero. No, you're just doing your part.
Thank you, I should be normalist, not glorified.
Agree. So yeah, I think men absolutely should do household chores. It's part of being a responsible and respectful human being.
Well said, I'm glad we're on the same page. Hopefully, more people start thinking this way.
Yeah, it might take time, but we're getting there.
Do you ever talk about this with your friends?
Sometimes some of them agree, others are still stuck in old school thinking, but I try to encourage them actions speak louder than words.
That's a great attitude. You're helping change the narrative in your own way.
Thanks, Shiva. And talking about these things really matters.
Absolutely. Let's keep the conversation going.
You know, Shiva, lot of men actually want to help more at home, but they feel embarrassed or judged by their peers.
That's true. Peer pressure is real, especially if your friends laugh at you for doing the dishes or say things like "you're white."
Exactly, as if helping around the house makes you less of a man. That kind of thing I toxic.
Toxic masculinity. Yeah, it's a major problem. We need to redefine what being a man means.
I agree. Real strength, in my opinion, is so true kindness, responsibility, and emotional intelligence.
Explain. Doing housework isn't a weakness, it's a skill and it takes maturity. Like find attractive when a guy can cook or take care of kids.
Haha, good to know. Honestly, I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing. Sometimes it's even therapeutic after a long day.
That's great. What's your signature dish?
Probably creamy mushroom pasta or maybe chicken curry.
Wow, I'm impressed. I can barely make scrambled eggs some days.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect. I start with instant noodles and burnt toast, so trust me, it gets better.
I might need listen from you. Back to the topic. Do you think schools should teach boys and girls how to cook and clean?
Absolutely, economics should be for everyone. Life skills like budgeting, cooking, cleaning, and even parenting should be taught all students.
Right, I think gender neutral education the key. When define task by gender, we set people up for imbalance in adulthood.
Exactly, and when men grow up not knowing how to do these things, they either depend on women or just neglect responsibilities altogether.
Which is unfair. Women shouldn't have to take on a double burden of work and housework.
And some people even say things like, well, he works all day, so he deserves to rest. But the woman also works all day, why can't she rest too?
Yes, rest should be for everyone. Both partners should support each other, especially when they both working.
You know, my sister had a baby recently, and her husband was incredible. He changed diapers, took turns waking up at night, did the laundry every day.
That's amazing. We need more men like that.
Yeah, and you know that he got criticized by his own relatives. They say things like you're spoiling her or that's not your job.
Oh, that's so frustrating. Society really needs to evolve.
It really does, but I think change starts in the home and kids see their dads helping out, it becomes their normal.
Right. I used to see my grandfather do everything around the house when my grandma was sick. That said the way I view gender roles today.
Same here, I think seeing good example when we're young makes a huge difference.
So, what do you think are the main reasons some men avoid housework?
I'd say pride, fear of judgment, cultural expectation, and lack of skill, maybe even laziness in some cases.
Yeah, but that can be changed, right?
Of course, everyone can learn. It's not like washing dice requires a degree.
True. You know what bothers me the most? When people say, but that's woman's natural. There's nothing natural about being overworked.
I hate that price. Roles are not assigned by nature, they're taught by society and they can be retaught.
Exactly. I believe in a choice if a couple choose that one stays home and one works. That's fine, but it has to be a choice, not an expectation.
I agree. Choice makes all the difference. No one should be forced into a role they don't want.
Yeah, I also think media plays a role in shaping how we see gender and housework.
For sure, a lot of TV shows still show women cooking while the husband just watch TV.
Or the dumb dad, through the guy who can change a diaper or boil water. That's harmful too.
Definitely, it makes men look helpless and women look like martyrs, not healthy at all.
I think we need more restorations of men doing chores competently and happily.
That would help normalize it, show both that it's not just okay but cool to be responsible.
And show girls that they are not alone. They don't have to do it all.
Exactly, I think every little step matters, even just conversation like this.
I totally agree. By speaking up, we challenge the old way of thinking.
Okay, thank you, Shiva.